begin. For this video, we will learn how to read words with the long E sound spelled as E-E and E-A. Are you ready to learn? Okay, let's begin. Since we are talking about long E sound, the sound of these letters E, E, and E-A is not really the same. Why? Because the sound of these two letters E-E is equivalent to the sound of the letter I, which is a hard, short E sound. E-E says E. But when we say the sound of these two letters E and A, you will not say it as hard as the E-E. Instead, you are going to say it a little bit soft, since the letter E is paired with letter A. The letters E-A has the sound same as the name of the letter E, as E itself. E-A says E. How will you know if the spelling of the long E sound is an E-E and if it is spelled as an E-A? It's very simple. If you can hear the hard E sound, that means the sound of the long E is spelled as E and E. But if you can hear the sound a little bit soft, then the sound of the long E is spelled as E-A. To support my statement, I will show you some examples. What is the name of this animal? Yes, this is a sheep. Before saying the sound of E-E, you are going to say first the sound of the beginning letters. The beginning letters are SH with the sound of sh. Next is the sound of the two letters E-E, sound as hard E, and the sound of the letter P, sound as P. Now, we are going to combine all the sounds. Sh, E, P becomes sheep. As you read this word, say the long E sound as hard as E. Again, kids. Sh, E, P becomes sheep. How about this one? What is the name of this sea animal? Yes, correct. This is a seal. S, E, L becomes seal. Can you read it with me, kids? S, E, L becomes seal. As you read this word, say the long E sound as soft as the name of the letter E. Again, kids. S, E, L becomes seal. Now let's try to read this one. What object is this? You're right. This is a seed. S, E, D becomes seed. Read it with me, kids. S, E, D becomes seed. What do you call this insect? Yes, you're right. This is a bee. B, E becomes bee. Can you read it with me, kids? B, E becomes bee. What is the name of this plant part? Very good. This is a leaf. L, E, F becomes leaf. Read it with me, kids. L, E, F becomes leaf. And the last one, what part of our body is this? You're so smart, kids. This is our feet. F, E, T becomes feet. Can you say it with me, kids? F, E, T becomes feet. Other examples of words with long E sound spelled as E, and EA are deer, teeth, 3, cheese, meat, and beach. Great job, kids! That's all for today. Keep on learning and see you next time. Bye!